So I came out to see if there's any fruit on these passion flower vines, and I saw one of the baby bunnies over there on the other side of the blackberries. I'd like to get them on camera, but I don't want to scare them. They're so cute. They got those little nubs for a tail. When they were smaller, they let me pick them up, but oh, there it is, right in the middle of the blackberry. I'm gonna flip my camera so I can zoom it. See, right there in the middle, he thinks he's hiding. Hey, Bubba. You gonna let me get closer now? I guess not. That's all right. That's about it. I don't know if that's the same one or that's another one. Yeah, they had a den under the fire pit, but I don't know if they're still using it. I left some of the grass long around there, so they had something to hide in from the, raptors. We got hawks and ospreys and eagles. Yeah, I'm gonna go see if there's that other one still around the other side. No, that must have been the same one. But yeah, there was 4 of them. So cute. That's about it.